what do we plan to do first? Which work do we begin now? How do we finance it? With who do we want to work, and how? More than just being landlords of a prestigious place, we are now responsible for the maintenance, the restoration, the management, and the highlight of such a cultural heritage. We believe that culture belongs to everyone, and we are responsible for the transmission of this cultural monument for the next generation. My name is Minson, and with my life partner Worhan, we run the Chateau project. As architects and heritage building specialists, we've met several interesting owners all around France and studied their impact on heritage preservation. With this experience combined to a thesis on heritage building management, we are building our project within Château de Sainte-Sévère, acquired exactly 3 months ago. With our local friends and the one who came from all around France and Belgium, the garden of the castle got cleaned up, and now it's time to imagine what upgrades can be done to it. We still have big trees to cut by the end of the nesting period, but until that moment, the park is still open to the public and we are designing the future uses of it. Maybe a garden bar, maybe some sculpture exhibited to give people new things to see, or maybe building some light constructions to allow summer garden parties and events here. All of this sounds very exciting, but we still have only 24 hours a day to work on everything, and we have to finish first all the launching strategy of running this place as a sustainable company. Until now, opening the park was our first priority. This was very important for the village. Having the possibility to walk around the chateau and enjoy the glorious views from it is now one of the must-do when you are in the area. And now that it's done, the project we are on right now is to keep our investment sustainable by quickly renovating spaces and rooms that can be rented or booked in the castle. We already brought all of our equipment and tools here to make things by ourselves when craftsmen and contractors are not an option. And we continue to buy new machines to clean up, renovate, secure and furnish our new wonderful spaces. We are also building partnerships with innovative companies like this German ladder manufacturer that help us to find the right tool fitting our project. According to the work we have to do, they send us the specific model for a test. Foldable, telescopic, quite light, very high but still stable, stiff and safe. In many cases, this ingenious ladder will easily replace our old and heavier ones, or even scaffoldings for some works. With all the aspects of this very interesting process that aim to reimagine the future of heritage buildings, we had this idea to share all of our experience with groups of people who have the same dream project of taking over an historical monument and running it sustainably for the next generation. So we are thinking about opening the first renovated rooms of our castle to a group of people interested in this project. All of this with an idea of sharing our experience on site, combined with a program about discovering the French countryside lifestyle.